Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So no one joined again. Okay, it's fine, right? Please someone message your friends to join. Okay, so we will continue with concept of inequality that we are covering in last chapter, last class. Okay, right, everyone? Now, when we talk about concepts that we have covered in last class, tell me how many of you remember? Right, we have covered the basics of inequality, right? What is the meaning of basics of inequality, how to use inequality, what is sign scheme, right? So the topics that we have covered till now was, first is basics, right? Basics. What is the meaning of basics? Basics means understanding the concept of inequality. Understanding the inequality, right? Then we studied properties of inequalities. Properties of inequalities. Okay. Then we studied sign scheme. Sign scheme, or it is also called as wavy curve. Wavy curve. Right, everyone? Okay. Then we studied graphical representation. Okay, graphical representation of inequalities, right? Then we studied some spatial functions. Some spatial functions. Okay, so we were continuing our fifth topic, which is some spatial functions. Right, everyone? Okay. Now, when we talk about some spatial functions, we have studied about, tell me, which function we have studied about? We have studied about unroot function, right? We have studied about unroot function, which is y is equal to root of f of x. Okay, then f of x should be greater than equal to 0. That's the first thing that we have studied, right, everyone? Okay, then second, logarithmic function, which means if I'm having y is equal to log f of x base g of x, then f of x should be greater than 0. See, it is greater than 0. It's not greater than equal to, just greater than 0. And g of x should also be greater than 0 and not equal to 1. It should not be equal to 1. Okay, so these two we have studied, right? And there's one more spatial condition or spatial inequality. This is called as fundamental inequality. Fundamental inequality. Okay, which is anything, any function square is always greater than equal to 0. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Yes or no? Any function square is greater than equal to 0? Tell me yes or no. Yes, agree? Okay. Very good, everyone. Very good, right? Now, when we talk about some special function, okay, so we have a third function, right? See, it is square, every number square, anything square, it is positive, except for imaginary number, right? Yes. So, where f of x should be real, should be real. Okay, that's the condition. It should be real. Sorry, not read, real. Okay, right, everyone? Okay, right? Now, third type of function is called as modulus function. Okay, remember this, modulus function, right? So we will study this modulus function. Okay, now what is this modulus function, right? Let's study what is this modulus function. Now suppose I have given you a number line. Suppose this is a number line, right? Suppose this is a number line. Now this is your 0. Now suppose you take this 4 and then take this minus 4. Now if I ask you what is the distance, what is the distance of 4 from 0? Tell me. What is the distance of 4 from 0? Tell me, everyone. Yes, very good. Right? It's 4. It's 4 unit. Now, if I ask you, what is the distance of minus 4 from 0? Distance of minus 4 from 0. Then tell me. It is also 4 unit, right, everyone? Okay. So I was asking your distance, right? Okay, distance. So distance is absolute value, right? Only, right? Distance is absolute value. Okay. Now, when I talk about distance, it's absolute value. So it doesn't matter that if you're going to left of 0 or right of 0. Okay. Means doesn't matter if your displacement is plus 4 or minus 4. Okay. The value will be 4 itself, right, everyone? Right? Okay, so sometimes, be it in physics or be in maths or chemistry, we need absolute value, absolute positive value, for any function, okay? How to do that? Okay, now for that, we have a function called as modulus function, okay? So what is this modulus function? Modulus function is a function which will give you the positive value of any function. It is represented by mod of f of x, okay? Now this mod, this bracket kind of representation is a representation of modulus. It is representation of modulus, okay? Right? So what's the meaning of this? It means doesn't matter whatever is inside this modulus, right? This y will always be positive, means modulus of f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. Got it? Because it will give you absolute value. Okay, everyone? For example, if I ask you, right? If I ask you y is equal to modulus of minus 3, then tell me what will be the value? Y is equal to what? Tell me. Yes, very good. It will be 3. Okay. So if you ever get confused, right, then you can just think like this. Modulus is a function which do only one job. What is the job of this function? The job of this function, the job of this modulus is to multiply. Okay, right? Multiply this function with the same sign. For example, f of x, right? Modulus of x, right? So it can have either positive value or negative value. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Right, everyone? It can have either positive value or negative value, right? Now, let's take case 1. Case 1, where f of x is greater than 0. Then tell me, if f of x is greater than 0, then it will have positive value or negative value. Tell me, it will have positive sign or negative sign. Everyone, positive sign? Agree? So this modulus job is very simple. The modulus, what it does is it just multiply this function with the same sign. Okay. So here it was positive sign, so it will multiply this function with positive sign. As simple as that. Got it? Tell me, got it? Right? Now case 2. Let's take case 2. Right? Let's take case 2. Now we have case 2. Case 2, where f of x is less than 0. Now tell me, if f of x is less than 0, then what is the sign of this function? Positive or negative? Negative. right everyone? Because I'm saying it is less than 0, then the sign should be negative, right? Okay, yes, very good. Then what this modulus will do? Tell me what this modulus will do. Because if you have to make any negative number to positive, what you should do? Tell me what you should do. Multiply it with negative, right? Yes. So this modulus will multiply this function with same sign, which is negative sign. Okay, everyone? Okay, got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Right? For example, just take example, right? Take example. Y is equal to mod of 3. So if it is mod of 3, as I said the example, so it will become mod y is equal to 3. But if I'm having y is equal to mod of minus 3, so it will become y is equal to minus of minus 3. This f of x will be same, right? F of x will not change, but it is multiplied with the same sign. So it will become plus 3. Okay, so modulus of plus 3 or minus 3, both will be 3. Everyone is getting this? Tell me, everyone is getting this concept? Yes or no? Step by step, right? Everyone should understand step by step. There are many students who are absent, many. Can anyone just check who all are absent? Okay, like I just, yes, Shakib, right? Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay, Vaishnavi, can you just message me after the class? Those who are absent. Okay, Vaishnavi and Avya is here. Avya and Vaishnavi, can you just message me those students who are absent, both of you? Okay, just message me after the class or just message in the group itself. Okay, just message in the group. Those who are absent, message in the group, foundation group. Okay, right? Because when I teach, see, I can just see the number, right? I can't see all the students all the time. Okay, that's why at the end of the class, just message in the group those who are absent. Okay, okay, right? So I hope all of you understood the basic concept of modulus. Yes or no? Tell me. Now, this is a very basic concept. We can extend this concept because I told you f of x, right? Which means it can be any function. Yes or no? It can be anything, right? Tell me, right, everyone? Okay. Now let's see. Let's start with a very easy problem. Let's start with very easy problem. Okay. Suppose I'm having x minus 3 modulus is equal to 4, right? Question 1, right? Find x. Now it is not in equation. It is not in equation. It is equation only. Okay. So first of all, let's get used to this function. Okay. Then we will use in equation. Okay. This is your equation. Find the value of x, everyone. Find the value of x. Think about it, right? Everyone think about it. Okay, very good, right? So yes, most of you got the concept, right? See, it is modulus, right? So just think about this. Okay, we have case 1. Case 1. What is case 1? Case 1 is when here this is f of x, right? X minus 3, okay, is greater than 0 because this is f of x, right? If this is f of x, if this is greater than 0, then you can just write it as it is. Minus x minus 3 is equal to 4, right? Now in this case, x will be equal to 7, right everyone? Right? And this condition is also satisfied, which is x greater than 3. Yes, x is equal to 7, which is greater than 3, right? Now case 2. Case 2, when x minus 3 is less than 0, which means when x is less than 3. Okay, now we know that if it is less than 0, I should put one negative sign in front of this. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no, right? Now this is equal to 4. Okay, now if you solve this, okay, then we will get minus x plus 3 is equal to 4, right? Or x is equal to, tell me, x equal to minus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no, everyone? So we have two answers over here, right? Either x can be equal to 7, right? Or x can be equal to minus 1, right? Got it? Okay, everyone got it? Mansa got it? Right? That's the beauty of modulus, because it can either be positive or negative. Okay, everyone, right? Are you getting the concept? Yes or no? Tell me, are you getting the concept? Right? Should we solve one more problem? It depends, right? Obviously, it will give two or more answers depending on the options. Okay, right? It is not necessary that it will give only two options. Okay, for example, right? For example, just think about this. Now I'll use inequality. Now I'll use inequality. So I'll give like this: mod of x plus 1, right, is greater than 2. This is your question number 2. Now solve. Guys, now solve this. Okay, now let's see, right? Let's see again. Steps. You should follow the steps, right? First, it is modulus. Inside modulus, we have x plus 1. So f of x is basically x plus 1. So we have to take two cases, right? Case 1, when this x plus 1 is greater than 0, right, everyone? Just take this case. Okay, now if x plus 1 is greater than 0, which means x should be greater than minus 1. Yes. Okay, now in this case we will have x plus 1, it will be written as it is, should be greater than 2. Okay, which means x should be greater than 1, right? Got it? Okay, got it? Now second case, case 2. Case 2, right, when x plus 1 is less than 0, which means x should be less than minus 1. In this case, we have to put minus in front of this. We have to put minus of x plus 1. This is greater than 2, right, everyone? So it is minus x, right? Minus 1 greater than 2, which is minus x greater than 3. So x should be less than minus 3. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Till this point, everyone got yes or no? Till this point, everyone got yes or no? Think about it. Everyone, please focus on the steps and try to understand. Okay, step by step, right? Now, what should be your answer? See, this answer, right? Just think about this. Just think about this, right? When you talk about this answer you got when you take x greater than minus 1, and it is greater than 1, which is greater than minus 1, so it is true, right? True, right? Because this is only possible if x is greater than minus 1, right? So x is greater than 1 is true, right? If you put anything greater than 1, anything greater than 1, you will get greater than 2. Okay, so that's your first, right? X greater than 1. So x greater than 1, it's your first answer, which is 1 to infinity, right? 1 to infinity. That should be your first answer. Second, right, x less than minus 3. If you put anything less than minus 3, obviously it is less than minus 1. Yes, so it satisfies this condition also. So the answer should be minus 3, right? Sorry, minus infinity to minus 3. Okay, so answers this and this both. So we will get union. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Right? Got it? It is minus infinity to minus 3, minus infinity to minus 3, union with 1 to infinity. Okay, everyone, got this? Yes, very good. Right? Okay. Okay. So are you getting now? Right? Shall we solve one more problem? Okay, we will solve one more problem. Okay. Now let's see. Right? Let's see one simple problem. Okay. So let's see one simple problem. So we have modulus of 2x minus 4 is greater than 6, right? Tell me, what is the answer? Tell me, everyone, right? What should be the answer? 2x minus 4 greater than 6. Step by step. Okay? Yes, I'm getting the answers. Very good. So let's see. Case 1. Case 1. When this 2x minus 4 is greater than 0, which means x is greater than 2. Then what we will have? We will have this will be just as it is. Okay, greater than 6, which is 2x greater than 10 and x greater than 5. Right? X is greater than 5. So here x should be greater than 2, so it's 5. So the answer is x belongs to 5 to infinity. Okay, now this is your answer, and this answer should satisfy this condition. Okay, it's not that your answer is this. Answer is this one only. Answer is this one only. This is just the condition, right? For example, right? For example, okay, suppose you want to give a class 10th boards, right? You want to pass in class 10th board, right? Okay, now in order to pass class 12th board, you have some percentage, right? But first you should pass class 10th. Now, if you're not passing class 10th, right, there's no like question of passing class 12th, right, everyone? Okay, so that is your first condition, right? If x is not greater than 5, right? So this condition is also not satisfied. So you will have no solution. Okay. Now case 2, when 2x, case 2, 2x minus 4 is less than 0, which means when x is less than 2. Now in this case, 2x minus 4 is less than, sorry, minus of 2x minus of 2x minus 4 is greater than 6, which is minus 2x plus 4 is greater than 6, which is minus 2x is greater than 2. Now multiply by negative both sides, so it will be 2x less than minus 2 or x less than minus 1. So x less than minus 1 satisfies this. So answer should be x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Now answer is this and this both, because we have two different cases. If you have two different cases, then you have to add both the intervals. Okay. See, the question was modulus. No, now the question was modulus, right? Okay, so the answer is x belongs to 5 to infinity union with minus infinity to minus 1. That's your answer. Okay, tell me. Okay, shall we solve one more problem? See, now where we use the modulus concept at the start only, no? Right? Two cases when mod of x is greater than 0, right? And f of x is less than 0. So that's the first step. Concept modulus is first step. Okay. Now let's see another question. Mod of x minus 3 is less than 2x minus 4. Find x. Okay. Yeah, sorry, yeah, sorry. I was muted. Okay, so I'll just repeat again. So first, the case one we will take, which is mod of f of x, right? So f of x should be greater than 0, right? So here f of x is x minus 3 because it is inside the mod, right? So when you take x minus 3 greater than 0, case 1, which is x should be greater than 3. Now, if it is greater than 0, then mod can be written as it is, right? So it can be written as x minus 3. Now, I'm taking x to this side. I'm taking x to this side, right? And 4 to this side. So see, 2x greater than sign. So 2x minus x greater than sign. 4 is gone this side, so 4 minus 3. Okay, it's same thing. I haven't changed the value. Yes, it can be anything. No, it can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. So what I'll get? I'll get, after solving, I'll get x greater than 1. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? Tell me. Now just think about this. Just think about this. That's the thing now. Yeah, see here, x greater than 1. X greater than 1, right? But condition should be what? Tell me. Condition should be what? See this. Condition should be x greater than 3. Okay, right? Yes. So you have to choose, right? One which will satisfy both the condition. Now tell me, which will satisfy both the condition? Which will? X greater than 3 or x greater than 1? Tell me, x greater than 3 will satisfy both the conditions. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me everyone. Tell me Nitin, Aditya, Vaishnavi, Srishti, Darshan, Mansa. Right? Think about this. That's why I gave you this problem. See, if you take x is greater than 1, just think about it. If you take x is greater than 1, so put x equal to 2. Will x equal to 2 satisfy this condition? Tell me. Will x equal to 2 satisfy this condition? No. But if you take x greater than 3, take 4, 5, anything, will it satisfy this condition? Think about this, right? Yes, na, x is greater than 4. So x is greater than 1, na. If you take x equal to 4, isn't it greater than 1? If you're taking anything which is greater than 3, isn't it greater than 1? If anything is greater than 3, is it greater than 1 or not? It is greater than 1 now. So for this one, right, for this one, okay, will be x, right, belongs to 3 to infinity. Okay, everyone? Right? Right? Now, let's see case 2. Case 2. Case 2. When x minus 3 is less than 0, which means x is less than 3. So we will have minus of x minus 3 is less than x minus 4, which is minus x plus 3 is less than 2x minus 4. So this will go this side, this will go this side, become 3x greater than 7, which means x greater than 7 by 3. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it, everyone? Right? So for this, it is x. Wait, Puneet, yes, I'll explain. So this will be 7 by 3. infinity. Okay. Now, I'm saying first case, right? First case, you understood what we have done. Now, first of all, this x is greater than 1. After solving it, x equal to greater than 1. But this value of x is only taken when x minus 3 is greater than 0. Yes or no? Tell me. The value of x greater than 1 is only obtained if x is greater than 3, which means should be greater than 3, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So you can write like this only when this is x greater than 3. But after all, you are getting x greater than 1. So obviously you have to choose. You have to choose that inequality which will satisfy both. Okay. So x greater than 3 is satisfying both. Okay. Got it? X minus 3 satisfying both. Right? So that's why we'll choose x greater than 3. Now we have this and this. So as I said, we will add them, union. Now think about this. Make a number line. Make a number line. Right? We have 7 by 3 and 3. So one answer is this and one answer is this. Right? Okay. And I said we have to add them. So tell me, what will be the answer? What would be the answer? Final answer will be what? Final answer would be this one because this is consisting this also, right? Final says x belongs to 7 by 3 to infinity. Yes or no? Because you're adding both the inequalities, right? Adding both the answers. Okay? Navya, Puneet, yes, Puneet got it. Mansa, Vaishnavi, Avya, Shirisha, Janvi, Darshan, everyone is getting. Shrishti, Aditya Gadde, Ahad, Bhavesh, Afa, Afsa, everyone is getting. Melissa, Yashida is getting. Very good. Tanish, Srishti, Satvik, are you getting? Sahana, Radhika, everyone should get. Okay, should get. Okay, very good. Right, I'll explain. Don't worry. Today I'll just explain. See, this is one new function, right? Okay. Okay. So, okay, very good, everyone. Right now, I hope all of you can solve this type of problem. So let's see. So in this case, we have only two cases. Some of you have asked, so will it be only two cases or will it be more than two cases, right? So I said depends on number of modulus, right? Let's see one question. Okay, question number 5. Let's see this question in which I will give you this mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus mod of x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 6, right? Now, this question might be like, sir, what you gave, this is very hard question, right? Difficult question like that, right? Okay. Now, how many modulus do we have here? Tell me, how many modulus do we have here? 3, right? So first step, again, first step, as simple as that, first step. Step 1, find critical point. So in this case, what would be the critical point? Tell me, what do you think? In this case, what would be the critical point? Tell me, in this case, what would be the critical point? In this case, it would be that point for which modulus is 0. Yes or no? Individual modulus is 0. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? So in this case, critical point x is equal to, yes, minus 1, 0 and 1. Got it? Yes or no? Got it? Tell me, yes or no? Okay, very good. Step 2, what was step 2? Number line, put critical points. Any issues? Right? Now from here there's a difference. Okay, so tell me, how many intervals do we have here? Tell me, how many intervals do we have here? 4. Yes, right, 4. Then how many cases will we have? Tell me. Then how many cases we will have? 4 only, where 4 only? Okay, because if we had only one modulus, then 2. 2 modulus, then 3, right? So number of cases is n plus 1. Okay, so we will have 4 cases, right? So first case will be, right? Case 1 will be what? This one, right? X greater than 1. This will be your first case. Case 1, first case, right? Now when x is greater than 1, then tell me, this is positive or negative? X minus 1 is positive or negative? Positive. Very good. Very good, everyone. This x, positive or negative, it is also positive. And this is also positive. Right, everyone? Right? Understood till this point? Understood? Anyone have any issue till this point? Okay, now I'll just upload, don't worry. So if all the three are positive, can I write it as it is? Like x minus 1 plus x plus 1 as it is, right? Because all them are positive. Can I write like this? This is also positive, this is also positive, this is also positive. So we just remove waters and write it as it is. And this is greater than or equal to 6. Now tell me, is it your linear equation? Linear inequation in one variable? We will get 3x greater than or equal to 6, so x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, right? That's your first answer, x greater than or equal to 2. Then we have case 2. Now tell me, what is case 2? Tell me, what is case 2? X should lie between which two numbers? This is your second, right, interval? Yes, very good, Prahlad, very good, right? So 0 se bada, 1 se chota. So I can write like this, x, case 2 is x greater than 0 but less than 1. Okay, now in this case, think about this. In this case, if it is less than 1, then x minus 1 is positive or negative. If it is less than 1, if x value is less than 1, then x minus 1 is positive or negative. Think about it. Think about it. Put 0.5. Negative. Yes, very good, right? Negative. Yes, agree? Now, if it is negative, so I have to put minus of x minus 1, right? Yes or no? Okay, plus. Now this x positive, so as it is x plus this, obviously it will be positive, so x plus 1 greater than or equal to 6. So let's see, minus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 6. So this will get cancelled. So it will be x greater than or equal to 4. Okay, now tell me, can we have this answer? Tell me, can we have this answer? Yes or no? Think about it. Can we have this answer? No, right? Yes, very good. Because see, this value is for this interval, right? X should be between 0 to 1, but here we are getting x greater than 4. So it is not possible. Not possible. Got it? Tell me, got it? Yes or no? Prahlad, 2 went to that side. That's why it will be 6 minus 2, 4 now. Okay? Got it? So case 2 is not possible. Case 2 is not possible because the value of x should lie between 0 to 1, but it is greater than 4. Not possible, right? Then what is case 3? Tell me, what is case 3? Tell me, what is case 3? Tell me, what do you think? What is case 3? This is third region. So case 3 should be what? When x is greater than -1 but less than 0. Yes, very good. Now think about this. If you think about case 3, now when if x is less than 1, it is always negative. Now if x is less than 0, this will also be negative and only this will be positive. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? If x is less than 0, right, then first and second term will be negative. Only third term will be positive. Okay, right? So I can write like this: minus of x minus 1 because it will be negative, minus of x because it is also negative, plus x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 6. Now let's solve this. Minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 6. Right? So we will get minus x greater than or equal to 4. So x is less than or equal to 4. Now tell me what is the answer? Here x should lie between -1 to 0. -1 to 0, and it is x should be less than 4. Right? So what should be the answer? Tell me. What should be the answer? See, the interval is x is greater than -1, Prahlad. Anything which is greater than -1. So put 0. X plus 1, right? Okay, if anything we put, yeah, sorry, -4, yeah. Yes. Thank you, Nitin. Thank you, Said. Thank you, Janvi. -4. Now tell me, will this condition satisfied? Will this condition be satisfied? Because x should be between -1 and 0, but here x is less than -4. Will this be satisfied? No. Right? So this is also not possible. Case 2, case 3, not possible. Okay? Got it? Tell me, got it? Step by step, right? Step by step, no issue, step by step. Now last is case 4, which is x is less than -1, less than -1. So if it is less than -1, everything should be negative. So we will get minus x minus 1 minus of x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 6. So we will get what? Minus 3x is greater than or equal to 6. So x less than -2. Okay? And here x less than -1 will satisfy this condition. So the answer is what? The answer is this one and first one, which is x less than -2 and x greater than 2. X greater than equal to 2. Right? So these are your answer. Okay? This is your answer. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it, everyone? So the answer is x belongs to -infinity to -2 union with 2 to infinity. Agree? Tell me, agree, everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay? So this is the end of your inequality theory. Okay, this is the end of your inequality theory. I'll give some questions. Okay, I'll upload on the WhatsApp group as well as Google Classroom, mostly in Google Classroom. But I hope now you understood what is inequality and how to solve inequalities. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? You just have to revise. Don't worry. You just have to revise. Okay. I don't want you to be like solve all the problems and all those things, but at least you should know the basic fundamental of inequality. Okay? Okay, everyone? Tell me. Right? So I will give you one problem, right? Take this problem. Yes, yes, I'll upload the video. I'll upload every video, don't worry. So take one question which consists of all the concept of inequality. Let's see who can solve this. This is your homework. Message me personally, right? Okay, this is your question. Okay, you have to solve this, right? Solve by Sunday. And you should solve by yourself. You should not ask anyone. Okay, you should not ask anyone. All the concepts we have studied, you just have to add all the concepts. You have to add the concept of logarithm, you have to add the concept of inequality, plus you have to add the concept of basic modulus, right? You have to add all the concepts. Okay, everyone, so please don't ask from anyone, right? Your friends, Didi, Bhaiya, right? Mom, dad, you should not ask, right? Try for 3-4 days. Sunday we will discuss this problem. Okay, everyone? Okay? Yes? So tell me, you learned something new? Do you think that, okay, this is like literally opening my mind? Like mind-blowing concepts? And see, every concept is not that difficult. If you actually understand the concept, it is easy. Okay? Okay, very good, everyone. Very good. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Uh, we'll see each other on Sunday. Okay. Okay. Bye, everyone. So we will complete the remaining question also on Sunday. Okay. Remaining Kahoot. Okay, everyone. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye.